Hello everyone, and welcome to the Crown Lounge. So in today's episode, I was thinking, this is fair season, carnival season. You know, the time you have your county fair, right? It's getting cooler outside. So I wanted to make some drinks that are inspired by the fair. Things that you would get at the fair, right? So one of the first drinks we're going to make is a Cotton Candy Daiquiri. All right. So first we're going to take some cotton candy. I got this off of Amazon. Wherever you can get cotton candy, maybe a grocery store or whatever. This is a cherry vanilla. I want a little bit of both. How about that? We're going to put a dollop into our glass. Right? It's a little bit of both. Next, we're going to take a shaker with ice. Ice is already added. And we're going to do 2 ounces of a light rum. Because remember, this is a daiquiri, right? Next, we're going to squeeze a whole lime. And I like these shaker cups because you twist them on, right? So you don't really get leakage when you're shaking. Give it a good shake. Next, we're going to strain it over the cotton candy. And then it will dissolve. Last, we're going to top it with champagne. Any champagne to do. This is just a smaller bottle of the Martini Rossi. It's just something, it's small, so you don't waste it. But if you do this for a bunch of people, then you use your favorite champagne, a bigger bottle, and make it in multiple ones, right? I just didn't want to waste champagne because I'm not a champagne drinking guy like that. It's supposed to be a twist off, right? There we go. So now just top it all the way off. And enjoy. Let's see. Oh, that is really good. This won't be a drink for me because it's too sweet, but it's a very good drink to entertain guests with. Here you have it, a cotton candy daiquiri. Thank you. Welcome back to the Crown Lounge. What we're going to do to add to our fair or carnival series is a Caramel Apple Martini, right? You remember the candy apples, the caramel apples, right? You get at the fair, you get them everywhere else now, but still, it is a fair thing, right? So, first we had a glass chilled and I did a caramel drizzle inside, right? Put in the freezer for a while so it'd stay. And it just went to the bottom. But anyway, there is caramel in this glass. All right, first we're going to go with 1 ounce of a sour apple pucker. Into a shaker. Next, we're going to go with 1 ounce of butterscotch schnapps. Lastly, we're going to add 2 ounces of vodka of your choice. Lastly, we're going to shake. Give that a good twist on there. Now, pour it in our glass. Still some coming out. There you have it. A Caramel Apple Martini. Cheers. You get all the elements of a caramel apple in here. The butterscotch helps, you know, get that caramel a little more in there. You taste the apple. Wow. It's a good drink. Cheers, guys. You can't have a fair without having something weird or out of the ordinary, right? So we did some sweet drinks. Now we're going to do a weird drink, but not really weird because it's almost like a dirty martini. But instead of olives, we're using dill pickles. We're going to make a dill pickle martini, right? First, get our glass. We're going to add 2 ounces of vodka. Next, we're going to add an ounce of the pickle juice. I've already poured it in here, so I didn't bore you. Next, can't be a martini without any dry vermouth, right? So we're going to go 1/2 ounce of dry vermouth. Just a little bit more. Next, we're going to add some ice and stir. Stir it till it gets good and chilled. Smell the pickles. I like dirty martinis. I just don't drink enough of them. But this should be really interesting. I've never had it. First time. Just kind of excited. All right, I think we're good. Got our martini glass. Now let's strain it. Look at the color. The color is what sells it, right? That looks just like pickle juice. And I do believe they sell like pickle juice to make what's the Irish whiskey drink? Picklebacks. Sometimes I see it next to the Irish whiskey. So you may be able to not buy pickles to get the juice and just get straight juice with a, bottle. Maybe Amazon sells it. I don't know. I haven't looked. But anywho, cheers. I'm not mad at it. I mean, if you like dirty martinis, this is right up your alley, right? Because with the dry vermouth, you get the, can't say savory, but it has that martini feel to it. And the pickles juice is pickle juice, right? You can get more fancier pickles to make a more fancier juice. But anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time.